Hello, 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 and welcome to Chucks and Chapstick. If it is your first time at Chucks and Chapstick, I ask that you do three things. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. I am doing a box today, or really a store today, that I've always been interested in, but have never done on my channel, and that is J.Crew. Not regular J.Crew, because J.Crew is high as hell. This is J.Crew Factory outlet. So same quality, but much cheaper pricing. If you want to see what I got from my J.Crew outlet experience, then just hang on. It's coming your way. I'll see you on the other side. Do not film intros while walking uphill. So it's really been probably about 15 years since I owned a pair of bootcut jeans, but they're actually making a comeback, so I decided to try a pair. One thing that I have noticed is that the bootcut lately has been very flare, but as you can see, these are true bootcut jeans. High rise, super comfortable, and just fit right over a nice pair of boots. These jeans were really fantastic. It was a surprise hit. I wasn't expecting to like them as much as I did, but these bootcut jeans from J.Crew, thumbs up. So I stayed away from chinos or khakis for a long time because they always make my crotchular area look really weird. So I just stayed away from them. But these were really a great pair of chinos. They have just a little bit of stretch, just enough to be comfortable without looking real loosey-goosey. They're very comfortable. These were a bit too big, so I did exchange them for a size down. But overall, I really like them. And in fact, as I'm sitting here recording this, I'm wearing them for the third time. So thumbs up. Now we have this cotton slub t-shirt. It's very comfortable, oversized. No complaints here. It's not a silky t-shirt, it's a true cottony t-shirt. But I thought that these were a really great staple, so much so that I bought 4 of them, and here they are. So as a kid, my mother always put me in turtlenecks. She absolutely loved turtlenecks, and I hated turtlenecks. So I told her when I was 5 years old that I couldn't wait to be a grown-up, so I never had to wear another turtleneck again, and here we are. I bought this turtleneck on a humbug. It's actually only the second one I've ever owned in my adult life, but I was just drawn to it. I love this heathered oatmeal color. It's very soft. It's very stretchy. It's not very heavyweight. It's a pretty thin material, but I just thought that this was a nice pick, and it ends up being a great winter staple. Now, I got makeup on it, so I'm glad I had already planned on keeping it since I got makeup on it. So that's why I hate wearing makeup. Garr. The second part of this ensemble is this pair of high-rise skinny corduroys. Another thing I hated when I was a kid because they always swished when you walk, but corduroys have come a long way. You can see as I'm moving around here, they're very stretchy, very comfortable. It's actually a dark gray material, but I think these were really nice. And I'm just going to do a close-up here to show you I think they call that the wailing, that it's a pretty thin wail, but a great pair of pants. So Alexa Webb's blog site is actually what took me to the J.Crew Factory website in relationship to this vest. She had blogged about this vest. So I love this beautiful pink color. I like the gold detailing. It's not very heavy. It's actually a pretty light puffer vest. But overall, I just thought it's a great pop of color to spruce up what is a lot of times an otherwise drab winter wardrobe. So there it is, my J.Crew Factory haul. Let me know below what your favorite pieces were, or if you have actually shopped at J.Crew Factory outlet before. I thought there were some great pieces in this haul. And also, if you haven't subscribed, what you waiting on? If you haven't hit that notification bell, what are you waiting on? And then go ahead and like this video to let me know that you're enjoying the content. Other than that, any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below, but I'll see you next time.